live review. Whoa. Hello guys. Welcome. I told him the guy that sent you money is he was on vacation. He went for vacation. That's why I cannot send. I send you only cash. Seal with a kiss. We are not sleeping today, boss. We are not sleeping tonight.
Of course.
Because you go there and go back.
And you sleeping, me not sleeping also tomorrow.
Tomorrow you're not sleeping also.
This one is 6:30.
Morning.
11, yeah.
Up to 11.
One is 11, one 6:30.
My gosh.
And then maybe 11 finish also, maybe 12 hour.
Okay.
2 hour per night.
So you go home night early and then sleep.
Diet is better.
No. If you died, how about Dr. Sano and Dr. Hani
God bless you.
and Miss Universe Rimsha and Hani will go America? Who will support with him?
Mark Matthew. Margaret.
And also Dr. Sano studying for doctor. How become a doctor if you died? My God.
What is system for Filipino nationality?
Why? For what?
I mean, I go there, take nationality or no?
Only visa.
Huh?
Only visa.
No, stay there.
Stay there?
Yes.
Yeah, you can stay there.
Huh?
You can stay there. If you stay in the Philippines for 5 years,
Yeah.
you become citizen, Filipino
Yes, that's what I
citizen.
told you.
Yeah, they give you citizenship.
Green
Per,
card.
yeah, permanent.